So, yan ang aking version ng chicken adobo. First, nagpisa ako ng garlic and then onion and then I put the chicken. Then after that, I put some black pepper whole and then some salt or soya, and then I simmer the chicken until it brown a bit, until all the natural juice of chicken came out. After that, I add the potato and then simmer it again, and I add Sprite and white vinegar, and I just put some red chili on it to have a little bit of hot or spice taste. So, that's it. Tcharam! Adobo!
May adobo. Yan. Adobo may patatas.